Welcome to the Epictales universe, where stories come alive, bringing to light the myths, traditions, and hidden tales that weave through time and across cultures. Today, we embark on a journey that takes us beyond the familiar world, into realms that exist on the fringes of human understanding. Agartha and Shambala, two legendary places steeped in mystery and spiritual significance. The story of Agartha begins deep within the earth itself, in a domain that countless legends describe as a hidden paradise. Tales of Agartha have long fascinated those who seek the truth behind the world's mysteries. This fabled land is said to lie beneath mountains and oceans, its gates hidden from view, accessible only to those who possess both the knowledge and the spirit to venture into the unknown. According to the lore, Agartha is a realm of immense beauty, illuminated by a light unlike any seen on the surface. It is a place where harmony reigns, and beings of advanced wisdom dwell. These beings are thought to possess an understanding of life and existence that surpasses human comprehension, living in perfect unity with nature and one another. The myths tell of majestic cities filled with towering structures of crystal, vibrant gardens, and flowing rivers of light. This world beneath our feet is said to echo with the soft music of existence itself, a symphony that nurtures and uplifts all who hear it. But Agartha is more than just an idyllic vision. It represents a secret long kept, one that speaks to the connection between our world and the depths of the unknown. Some legends suggest that Agartha is linked by a vast network of tunnels and passages, traversing continents, with hidden entrances guarded by ancient sentinels of stone and spirit. These pathways are said to be trod by sages and guardians who move between the inner and outer worlds, carrying with them knowledge that is both ancient and boundless. As we turn our gaze to the Himalayas, stories of Shambala come into focus, a realm just as captivating yet distinct in its promise. Shambala is often depicted as a sanctuary of ultimate enlightenment, nestled amidst the highest peaks in the world, where the earth stretches towards the heavens. In the teachings of Eastern traditions, Shambala is a realm where purity and wisdom are intertwined, where the path to spiritual awakening is not just a dream but a living truth. It is said that only those whose hearts are pure and whose minds are attuned to the deepest truths of existence may glimpse the radiant gates of Shambala. Throughout history, seekers, mystics, and travelers have searched for the path to Shambala. Their journeys, filled with trials and revelations, symbolize more than a physical expedition. They are metaphors for an inward quest for clarity and inner peace. Shambala embodies an ideal of enlightenment that transcends the boundaries of ordinary life. It is said that those who reach its sacred borders are met with boundless peace and an understanding that goes beyond words, a knowledge that humanity's potential is far greater than we often perceive. These stories of Agartha and Shambala are not just about hidden lands. They are reflections of humanity's unyielding curiosity, our deep desire to connect with something more profound, to discover hidden truths that resonate with our souls. They remind us that the world, and perhaps the universe, holds more wonder than meets the eye, and that every legend, whether found in whispers or written in ancient scripts, is a beacon to the limitless possibilities that lie within us and around us. Thank you for joining us today in this exploration of hidden worlds and sacred stories. If this tale of Agartha and Shambala captured your imagination, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to the Epic Tales universe, where we continue to bring these age-old stories to life and journey into the heart of the unknown. Your support helps keep these stories alive. So stay with us as we uncover more stories that echo through time and speak to the deepest corners of the human spirit.